everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how can teach ascending and descending order to your 2 to 5 years old kids. So first of all, we will talk about how can we teach ascending and descending order to our kindergarten kids. So here I have some Montessori tools which I would like to show you. By taking this kind of things, you can teach ascending or descending order to your kindergarten kids very easily. Let's see how we can teach. So you can separate all the tools and then you can tell to your kid to find which one is the biggest tool and which one is the smallest tool. So if we talk about all the tools, then this tool is the biggest one and this tool is the smallest one. Now let's arrange it in proper way. So first, this is biggest. It is little bit smaller than this tool. Then we'll put this step because as you can see that this red tool is most biggest. After that we can put this one because it is little bit smaller than this, and then we can put this one. After that we'll put this tool maroon, and then we'll put again this green, and now we'll put a smaller one. Okay, so you can find that the top tool is very small, and after that little bit big, then a little bit bigger than this tool, after that little bit big, and like that all the tools are increasing, and in last you can find most biggest tool. So in ascending order we can arrange all the things smaller to bigger. Like first we can put some small things, then we can put some big things, like that. Okay, so in ascending order we can find first smaller, then little bit bigger, then this one, then this one, then this one, and then in last we can. Now you can see that its size is little bit increasing. It means that first one is smaller, then it is little bit bigger than this. This is little bit bigger than this tool, and orange one is little bit bigger than maroon tool, and this green one is the little bit bigger than this yellow, and this maroon tool is more biggest among all these tools. Okay, you have to tell me I have arranged all the tools in ascending order. You can also play some games by arranging all the students according to their height in ascending or descending order. I will show you one more tool. By using that you can find it ascending order very easily. So let's talk about starting. So here if you observe it very carefully, is arranged in a ascending order. Ascending order means again this way, like down, and it is rising little bit, and in last it can rise very up. Okay, so let's see. In first ring we can count it. It is 1. So 1 is the most smallest number, and always we can start ascending order with 1. After that 2, because it is little bit bigger than 1. How? Here we can find 1 ring and here we can find 2 rings. That's why it is little bit bigger than this one. After that we'll go ahead like that. You can see it is rising little bit up. So here we can find 3 rings. 1, 2 and 3. So in first we have seen there is only 1 ring. In second we can find 2 rings, and in third we can find 3 rings. It means that it is increasing. Okay, let's go ahead. Here we can find 4 rings. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is also increasing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, like, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in next column we can see there are 6 rings. After that we can find there are 7 rings. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so as you can see that all the rings are increasing very slowly. Like one ring is increasing. It means that it has been arranged in ascending order. Why? Because in first we can put only 1 ring. In second we can put 2 rings. In third we can put 3 rings. In fourth we can put 4 rings. Fifth we can put 5 rings. In sixth we can put 6 rings, and like that we will go ahead. Okay, it means in ascending order we have to go ahead and we have to rise little bit up. We can start from smallest, then little bit bigger, then little bit bigger, and in last we can find most biggest one. So hoping you got ascending order. Let's talk about once more. Ascending means that smaller to bigger. First we can put some small number and in last we can put some biggest number. Okay. So among all the numbers from 1 to 9, 1 is the most smallest number. So we can write ascending order always with 1. We can start ascending order always with 1 because 1 is the most smallest number. So here I want to clear two things, that most smallest number is the 1 and most biggest number is the 9. Okay, now let's talk about descending order. So descending order is opposite of ascending order. It means that in ascending we can arrange all the things in smaller to bigger. As you can see, smaller to bigger. But in descending we can arrange all the things in bigger to smaller. Okay, like that. First we have to put some big things, then little bit smaller than that, then little bit smaller, then little bit smaller than this tool, and then little bit smaller, and starting we can put most smaller. So I have separated all the tools. Now we have to arrange it in descending order. So let's find out which one is the biggest tool. So I have so many tools. You can tell me which one is the biggest because these two tools are very small. So can you tell me which one is the biggest one? This maroon one. Okay, nice. Yeah, you're right. This is the biggest tool. So we have to put first this tool. Then this tool is little bit smaller than this maroon tool. That's why we will put this one. Then this is little bit smaller than this green tool. Then I will put this tool above this. And after that I have one more tool which is little bit smaller than this one. I will put it here. After that this tool is little bit smaller than this tool, so I will put it here. Then in last I have a very small tool. It means that first I have put some biggest, then little bit smaller than this, then little bit smaller than this, then little bit smaller than this one, and in last I will put most smallest one. It means I have arranged this tool in descending order. So like that you can teach to your kindergarten kids at home ascending and descending order very easily by using this kind of some tools which is available at home, or you can find out any tools, like you can find out some object which is available at home. You can find out some things like first is bigger, then a little bit smaller, then a little bit smaller, and last you can put most smallest one. Okay, so this is the way to teach our kindergarten kids ascending and descending order. So after that, now let's see how can we make our kids to write any numbers in ascending and descending order very easily. Here I will show you some method. By following that you can teach to your kids to write any number in ascending and descending order very easily. So here I am going to tell you how can you teach your kids to write any number in ascending order first, and then we'll talk about descending order. Okay, so in first I have put some number here, 2, 4, 1 and 3. Okay, now we will write in ascending order. Okay, but before that I will tell you here to make one number line. Okay, while you are teaching ascending and descending order to your children, that time you need to make one number line for understanding them. Okay, we'll make number line from 1 to 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. Okay, so now let's find out that which number is the smallest one, because in ascending order we write smallest number first and then we write little bit bigger and then we write more bigger and then in last we write most biggest one. Okay, so while we are writing any number in ascending order, that time we have to see this number line from bottom part. First number from down parts is 1. It means that 1 is the smallest one, and last number of this number line is the 9. It means that 9 is the topmost number of this number line. It means 9 will be the largest number and 1 will be the smallest number. Here's the numbers 2, 4, 1, 6. We have to write in ascending order. So let's count from 1. This is 1. So we'll check 1 is either there or not. So 1 is here. So that's why we will write 1 first. Why? Because before 1 there's not any number. That's why we will write 1 first. It means 1 is the smallest number. After finding one number, we can find next number very easily. Why? How? By counting it. Like, let's count from 1. 1, 1, 2. So 2 is there. Yes, 2 is here. So we'll write 2 after 1. After that, let's count it again. 2, 3. 3 is there. Yes, 3 is there. So we'll write 3. After that, 4. 4 is there. Yes. So we'll write 4. Okay. Let's see one more example. 9, 8, 6, 1. Okay. So again we will count from 1. 1 is there. Yes. We'll write 1 first. After that we will count. 2 is there. No. We'll go ahead. 2 is here. No. Skip 2 and go ahead. 3. 3 is also not here. 4. 4 is also not here. 5 is not here. 6. 6 is there. So we'll write 6 next number. After 6 we will count again. 7. 7 is there. No. Then 8. Yes. 8 is here. So we'll write 8. Then 9. Yes. 9 is there. So we'll write 9 in last. Okay. This is the way to make your kids write any number in ascending order very easily. But here we talked about only some very easy number of 1 digit number. After that we will talk about some 2 digit number. Then how can we make our kids to write any 2 digit number in ascending and descending order. So now we will see that how can we write this kind of 2 digit number in ascending order very easily. So here we have the numbers 41, 21, 31 and 51. How can we write these numbers in ascending order? So we will see all the first number of this all 2 digit number. Now this 2 digit numbers, first number is 4. Here's 2, 3 and 5. So I have ticked all the first numbers. Now we will see in 4, 2, 3, 5 which number will become first. Let's count from 1. 1 is not there. 2 is here. It means this number we will write first. This number is the smallest one. After that, next number is 3. So this is 31. We will write 31. Because 21 is the smallest among all these 4 numbers. Then we will write 31, and after 3 next number comes, that's name is 4. So here's the 41. So that's why we'll write 41. After that, there's 5. So here's 51. That's why we will write 51 in last. Okay. Like that we can put these all 2 digit numbers in ascending order. But here's one more conditions which we find normally. So how can we write those kind of numbers in ascending order? Let's see. Okay, so I have some more numbers. Let's see. I have the numbers 98. It is 4th number question. 92, 75, 71. Okay. In this condition, how we will find smallest and biggest number? Okay. Very easy. So here I am making again one number line for making you understand better. Okay. Again we will check its first number. So here's 9. 9, 7, 7. In 9 and 7, which number comes first? Let's see from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is coming first. Yes, we will put that number which first number is 7. But here is 2 number which first one is 7. So how can we find that which one is the smallest one among both these numbers? This type of condition, we will check last number. Like its last number is 5 and its last number is 1. Okay, so let's see which number comes first, 5 or 1. 1, of course 1 will come first. It means 71 will be the smallest among all these numbers. After that we will find 75, because after 71 if you will count 72, 73, 74, 75, so it is coming first, and these two numbers will come in very last. Okay, same conditions we will apply in this 98 and 92. We will check its last number, like 8 and 2. So which number comes first, 8 or 2? 2 will come first. That's why we will write this 92, and in last we can put this 98. Okay, like that we can make your kids write to any 2-digit numbers, 3-digit number, 4-digit numbers very easily. Now let's talk about descending order. Okay, so first we'll take some very easy number, 2, 1, 9 and 7. Again we will make one number line. So you can make number line every time. Till that time your kids are not learning to do ascending and descending order by themselves. Okay, now we have to find out that which number is biggest one, because in ascending order we write smaller to bigger and in descending order we write bigger to smaller. So if we'll talk about in this number line, then how can we find some biggest number? We find some smallest number, then we always start from bottom part. But while we have to find some biggest number, then we have to start from top part. Okay, so let us start from this 9. Top part, first number is 9. So let's take it. 9 is there. Yes. So we'll write 9 first. After that we'll go down. After that 8. 8 is there. No. So leave it. After that 7. 7 is there. Yes. We'll write 7. Again 6. No. 5. No. 4 is there. No. 3. Again no. 2 is there. Yes. 2 is there. So we'll write 2. And last there's 1 and 1 is here also, so we'll write 1. Okay, like that we can do many descending orders. After that we will find descending order of 2-digit numbers. How can we find? All the methods are same like ascending order. There is little bit difference. Let's see how. Okay, so here's the number 21, 41, 31, 51. So as we were doing in ascending order, that like this kind of numbers, we were counting its first number. Again we will count its first number. So here's, first number is 2, it is 4, 3, 5. Okay, we have found all the first number of this number. So 2, 4, 3, 5. Which number comes in last? Like which number is biggest one? Let's see from top. 9, it is not there. 8, not there. 7, no. 6, no. 5, yes. It means that this number will be the biggest one. After that 4, and fourth number is here, 41. So we'll write 41. After that 3, yes, 31 is here, write 31. After that 2, yes, we'll write 21. Okay, that we can write all these numbers in descending order. After that we'll do last question of this descending order. If there will be some questions like that, then how can we find that which number is the biggest and which number is the smallest? So again we'll check out its first number. So 4, 4, 5, 5. Here are two numbers which first number is 4, and here are two-digit numbers which first number is 5. So how can we find? So first we'll check this 4 and 5, which number comes first and which number is the biggest one. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 5 is coming first from the top part, so 5 is the biggest one. But there are two numbers which first number is 5. there's 53 and 54. So we'll check its last number. 2 or 3 numbers are like that, which first digit is same number, so we'll check its last number as well. So it is 3 and 4. So from 3 and 4, which number comes first means which number is the biggest one. So after 5, next number comes, that name is 4. So it means this number is the biggest one. So we'll write 54 first. After that, we'll do backward counting. 54, 53. It is here. We'll write 53. You can tell to your kids to do backward counting. It will increase their counting skill also. Either you can tell to take the help of this number line. We'll do same thing. Okay, so after 53, there are two numbers, 41 and 42. How can we find that which number is the biggest one? It is 1 and 2. So we all know that 2 is the bigger than 1. So we'll write this one first, 42, and last we'll write this 41. Okay? So that's all for today's video. Hoping you understood all the things properly. Then how can you teach your 2 to 5 years old kids to any kind of ascending and descending order? For more such kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe. Basman Play School, Kusum Bihar. Thank you so much. See you next video. Till then.